Passage number 12. Private education is not so private anymore, comma, it seems, full stop. The government has brought in the private educational promotion rules ordinance 1984, full stop. This should transfer some privacy and power to bureaucracy, comma, and now the All Pakistan Private Schools Management Association has asked for an extension of the registration deadline and aired a few grudges, full stop. The association claims to have 20 lakh students and 1 lakh staff on its rolls in Punjab alone, full stop. This is a considerable contribution to education in a country where the literacy level is only 26% and the existing school structure can admit only 50% of the applicants, full stop. The pressure on established government schools is such that in some schools, comma, classes have about 70 students and the teacher spends nearly the whole period calling the rolls, full stop. These schools need to be relieved of some of this pressure, and the private educational institutions provide this very answer, full stop. They are also remedial for the arrogance of many government schools that are riding high on the reputation of their past performance and completely neglecting their present standard, full stop. In any case, private schools augment the government efforts to meet the heavy pressure on education, full stop, para. The role of private schools is positive, full stop. They are not purely business enterprises which pay no attention to imparting education, full stop. If they were, comma, they would be phased out by lack of public response, comma, particularly when the competition between them is stiff, full stop. The purely business ventures by and large fizzled out rapidly, comma, and the schools that have survived did so because they had a solid educational foundation, full stop. Some of them have, comma, on the strength of their reputation, comma, built a chain of schools throughout the country, full stop. For this contribution they get few concession or approbation, full stop. Their status in terms of taxation is that of private business, comma, and consequently they pay commercial rates for facilities like water, comma, electricity and telephones, full stop. No grants, comma, subsidies or tax holidays come their way, full stop. To crown all their problems, comma, we have introduced a bureaucratic authority in the form of the new ordinance, full stop. We know from past experience that a more strengthened bureaucracy means more corruption. Full stop. This regulation will be of little use in maintaining standards. Full stop. Para. While we would welcome the move to regulate such important issues as imparting education, lest it turns into a commercial venture extorting funds on the strength of a noble cause, we fear that the executive powers given to government functionaries might well be misused. Full stop. It is time we stopped grudging these entrepreneurs their financial gains and instead recognized the vital social welfare role they play in our society. Full stop. About irregularities in private schools can be dismissed by a measure of confidence in the process of elimination by supply and demand. Full stop. The new ordinance has to be reviewed once again in view of these public apprehensions. Full stop.